Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple chain in Blender. So let's start. First, I am going to add one curve and circle, and then S, and scale it little bit like this. Then go in curve properties here, and then in geometry, in round depth, increase the depth of the curve like this. Put 27 like this. So now go in edit mode and click on these two vertices and then move it little bit downward like this. So we have something like this shape. So now go in object mode and then select this circle, go in object, convert to mesh. So we have something like this. So select this mesh object, go in sculpt mode like this, and here box trims, click on this X view and click on this box trim icon, box trim, and then click and drag like this. Go in object mode. So we have something like this. Now go in edit mode, click on this face, and then click here for insert face, and click and drag on this circle, and then put it like this. Then extrude it little bit inward like this. And now go in object mode. So we have something like this. If you want, you can select this face and move it little bit upward, little bit slightly. Okay. So we have something like this. Now click here, go in modifiers and add array modifier. So we have something like this. Press 1 in y-axis and 0 in x-axis. And then, okay, to delete this, press this curve object and little bit rotate it. Rotate it like this. In top, rotate it like this. And now again go in modifiers, deform array, and then click here like this. Array. Okay, so we have something like this. Circle. Again add curve and circle and press S to scale. Like this. Okay, now it is working. And now increase our count. It is behaving like this. Press S. and then scale it little bit like this. Now select this say circle and go in edit mode and press on these two and move it upward like this little bit, and then again increase, go in object mode and increase the count, and then press on this object, go in edit mode, go in edit mode and press Ctrl T so that we can rotate it like this. Go in object mode and scale it little bit. Put it over here. Okay, it is going to crash, I think. Yes, okay. Go in edit mode, click on this and go in the modifier again. Okay, so this is perfect. So we have something like this. Now go in texture mode, select this chain and give the roughness 0, metallic 100. You see, this is our chain. So I am also new to Blender. I am still learning Blender. So this is our chain. You can put it this on any character. So this is our model. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.